So this is us trying to replace the pump on the fuel burning heater on an L405. This is a new pump. We've just managed to get the old pump out. Couldn't video that, but we'll try and show you what we have here. So I've got the fuel burning heater here, and the pump basically goes onto the end of this. And to get that off, you need to take this bracing bracket off, and you need to get that bracket here off the side of the pump, or the actual heater itself. It's the fuel line. We've clamped that off. We've clamped that pipe off. That's about the only two pipes we need to clamp off. Not much fluid lost. And the reason you need to get this off, because the pump itself actually just mounts onto here. I'll show you that. So that's the way the pump comes. It sits like that, and it sits on this bracket, and there's a number of torque screws at the other side of that to get that pump off. And you need to be able to get this bracket away from there, which is held on by 3 Torx bolts, very tight, but you can lift it out. So if you clamp the pipes off, unbolt it and bolt that, it will wiggle its way out. We also slackened this bulkhead here, but it didn't move very much, but enough just to ease it out. So hopefully we don't lose any more coolant, which I don't think so. And I'm actually putting the new pump in, bolt it with the 3 Torx screws, connect it up, put it all back together again, and it should, with a bit of luck, work. The other thing you need to do is to get the fuel burning heater exhaust off. It's only held on with a couple of bolts. At the top, that connects to the pipe there, and a wee bolt in there. And what you need to do is to make sure you take the wheel off, the inner wheel arch off, and you will see it exposed. So it's fairly straightforward to get that off, because otherwise it will not lift out.